Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This is one outstanding car, 1955 Ford Crown Victoria. The Crown Victoria is loaded up with trim, including what they call the basket handle across the roof. And then this one takes it a step further with some real nice dual spotlights, chrome wire wheels, and a Continental kit in back. Not to mention the eye-popping colors. This is a great looking 55 Ford. Go to volocars.com. You can read all the specs, study all the pictures, and that's where you'll find the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars. They're all for sale. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, let's go for a spin in this flashy Ford. I was built in California. I know it lived out west for a long time. I don't have its complete history, but it does appear to be a really solid car. Up underneath the car, the floors look to be the original. It's got the old original undercoat on it, and everything appears solid. You look at the front end components, and they're not pitted. It's just nice, clean, smooth metal. I believe it's a good dry car. The whole front end doesn't look brand new, but it's been apart at one time because the nuts and bolts, they're not caked with grease. They're all clean hardware. The bushings for the sway bar look new. The shocks have been replaced not that long ago. You look up at the motor and the Ford-O-Matic transmission, both of those pieces look very clean. I don't have proof that they've been out or if they've been out, but they look like they've been out. They're just that clean. I also seen date codes on both of them. They're both dated to this car. They're probably original for the car. There's a tag on the rear end. It's a 330 gear in the rear end. It has dual, I think they're called blue streak mufflers on the dual exhaust. It's like a glass pack, so I'll start it up in a little bit. You'll hear that raspy 50s sound that we like. Original drum brakes. I'm sure they've been rebuilt. They work real well. Emergency brake cable systems hooked up. So underneath the car is just very respectable and proper. The body's really nice. I just inspected it. I was down on both sides looking. It's smooth. There's no bubbles. I felt all around here. And I also noticed how nice the gaps are. The panels fit really nice and square. It lines up real nice. And it's straight and it's smooth and glossy. This black paint is like a mirror. You'd have to be really, really fussy to find maybe a minor imperfection, but the paint is really slick, exceptional quality. And then the chrome and trim, all of it's really, really nice. You got an abundance of stainless trim all around here, down the sides, and it looks like it's all been straightened and polished. This is all restored. Around the windshield, everywhere. The spotlights are nice, door handles are real nice. Tail lights, bumper, all that I'm sure has been re-chromed. It has a rear mounted antenna. It also has fender skirts and they fit real nicely. A little stone shield and then rocker moldings. That's all optional stuff. Kelsey Hayes wire wheels with the spinners. Has some polyester or polysteel white wall tires on there. The glass is all real nice and clear. The weather strips are all nice and soft. The chrome vent window pillars are not pitted. Door jambs are real clean. I didn't get the spotlights to turn on. That's a case with most of them. I don't know if they're hooked up, but you can control them from inside. And up front, all of this, the bezels and grill and emblems and the bird, all of it's really nice bright chrome. 272 motor, everything in there looks clean and proper. The motor's painted nice. The valve covers and air cleaner are the correct ones. They've even got the right decals. Just nice clean metal. Battery's bolted down. It has a disconnect switch on the battery. It does have power steering. The interior is completely redone. The seats feel real nice. All new upholstery on the seats. All new door panels, front and back. White perforated headliners new. And it's pretty cool. The same chrome trim is on the inside. It's a copy on the inside. I thought that was really neat. And all the metal's been painted. So the dash, it's all black and yellow. So you got Continental kit back here. I already had it. There's a lever you pull. I already had it undone. Trunk compartment's real nice. It's been painted. The mat looks new. It's got a yellow rim with a matching tire. It's got the cardboard dividers have been replaced. The weather strip's been replaced. I did not see a jack in here. Steering wheel's nice. All the items on the dash are clean. It has that cool round radio and the round heater controls with the lenses, the knobs, steering wheel. All that looks real nice. The mirror is excellent. The rear speaker tray, everything inside the car is really nice. So why don't we fire it up? Got electric fuel pump. Well, that just popped right off. Dash lights work. Hopefully the headlights are working. There's that raspy glass pack muffler sound. Boy, this thing runs real nice. I mean, I'm around cars all the time, and I look at this and I say, wow, just look at how flashy this thing is. Park it next to a new Ford and compare to where we've gone with the styling of cars and the colors and all the accessories. This thing is just the bomb. Nice tail lights. Automatic transmission, power steering. That's going to be a nice, easy car to drive. That's my impression of this beautiful Ford. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. If you have specific concerns or questions, they'd be more than happy to answer them. They can also make the delivery, the financing, the paperwork real easy for you. Go to volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. That way you'll be notified first. You'll see the videos as they come out. Thanks for watching.